Alright, quick review of the Ex11. My Ex11 has barrels on it. This is running on CPM 154. Stainless steel. And 6AO 4B grade 5 titanium. This thing, with single barrel on each handle, has a very slight handle bias, balance, and an overall extremely well performance feel. It is just absolutely amazing how well this is performing. Obviously, the sound is absolutely stunning. And the tolerance, very slight play, 0 tap. Would I recommend this? If you're in the market for it, if you have the money and this is exactly what you've been looking for, yes, I would. But if it's just your dream knife, you just want to know what it feels like, I would recommend grabbing the EX10 trainer clone and then taking the spacers and replacing them with the extra washers and bushings. I've had it on my account or this channel before, so yeah, check that out. Only thing with the clone is it's very sharp. It has very sharp edges, and it's not as thick as this guy. This guy is a little bit thick compared to something like a Kraken. I actually haven't compared it to a Kraken yet, but here it is. It's basically Kraken thickness. Yeah, this thing is absolutely amazing. Super glad to be the first person to doing a review on it, because no one has done a review on this. It just sounds so good. This thing, guys, if you're grail hunting and you have the opportunity to get an Ex11, I'd cop one. If I were you, at least. Because they always resell and everything like that. And they will always, you know, be a good grail to get into. Oh my god. This whole review is just going to be me doing the sound test, just because I love this thing so much. But, yeah. I got number 34, his laser insignia thing, GD, Jeff Dumas, is right there. And, yeah. There's this right here. It says EX11 on the blade, and then right here it says, I'm not sure it's gonna focus or not. Well, it says CPM 154 USA on the back closed position of the blade. Alright, yeah, this thing's amazing. I fucking love it. But I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm probably going to do a review on the Gigas next. So, yeah, I got this in the mail. Take a look at this. Oh, hello, Fiji. Take a look at this. Beautiful lineup. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video.